Hi, you're a voiceover artist, and you need a demo. But have you ever started recording and thought to yourself, boy, I could use a little help? Let's take a look at someone who needs a little help.
Hi.
There's this guy.
I'm this guy.
And let's say this guy has himself a coach for his demo.
Oh yeah, his coach for his demo.
Yes, I'm ready to record the script, and okay.
Yeah, that's real good. Give it up. You're doing a great job.
But I haven't really even started yet. I don't know what to,
Don't question the master, kid.
Okay, I'll start now. Okay, in a world where one man tries to do his very best,
Yeah, I don't see no layaway option. I mean, really.
should I do the next script? I don't know what to do.
I mean, I'm trying to. Daggone it, boy! Stop questioning me. I'm dead serious.
I'm sorry. I didn't know what I'm sorry.
Stupid voiceover artist. I remember when I worked at Hardee's, and that was a real job. Give me some biscuits and grill. Hardee's.
Did I work on the Hyundai clip? I think it's Hyundai.
Hyundai. I don't know no guy named Hyundai. Who's this Hyundai? Nah, I don't know Hyundai. Now, if you talking about Billy, I know Billy, but I don't know Hyundai. Big voiceover artist. Hardee's.
Now Mr. Jesse has himself a demo. Let's take a listen.
Yes, is this thing on? In a world where one man tries to enjoy a Hardee's biscuit.
That's right there, boy. Hardee's. Hardee's biscuits. And gravy.
Hyundai Genesis, where a man can meet the road.
I told you, boy, I don't know no Hyundai. It's Billy. Hardee's.
The sad thing is, many voiceover artists end up like poor Billy. I mean, Jesse. If you don't want a demo like Jesse's, contact me now by clicking the link below or on the side. So for the love of all things holy, and for the love of yourself, don't be like Jesse. Contact me now. Hi, my name is Anthony. I'm a voice actor and a voiceover coach, and I'd love to help you out with your demo. So hopefully you can see a lot of people go through something similar to what Jesse went through with his coach, but I offer services where I can help you with your demo as well as coaching throughout the process and script writing. So please contact me, check out the links here and for some more information. All right, thank you so much.